Among all the day trading strategies, wedge breakout is the best one. That is because it is easier to master than other strategies. Also, it has higher probability to provide good trading opportunities. At the same time, it can provide both scalping and swing opportunities for more profit. Here's the basic wedge breakout setup. The two trend lines will meet each other in the end, and then the whole range is shrinking. Also, when the market goes to the end of the trend line here, and then it's going to break out strongly. And after that, we can trade as the wedge breakout. Wedge breakout can be horizontal, upward, or downward. And the market can break out to either upside or downside. It really doesn't matter. Here is an example. We have a wedge shape, and then the market breaks out to the downside. The breakout is strong because there are consecutive bear bars. And then we wait for the pullback. The pullback can go back to test the previous level or the trend line. And then when we see the signal bar, we can go short in this example. Then we can see that the market goes down even further. So this area will provide both scalping and swing opportunities. Scalping can help you to survive as a day trader, but swing will help you to become a successful trader.